Okay, so thanks, Mrs. Chairwoman, for the nice introduction. So I'm Pelissier from CEA-Leti, located in Grenoble. So the city sounds familiar for some of you because we organized just last week the SID Euro display. So we were really pleased to organize and with a larger audience. So I will introduce some insight about some benefits of the micro-LED related to the potential application concerning the multifunctional display. So we have been discussing this morning about the value proposition of the micro-LED. And on this graph, we can see general trends concerning the micro-LED solution. So the first y-axis is to improve the performances of the micro-LED itself, the brightness, resolution. And there is one interesting alternative is to try to figure out some additional functionality into the display in order to enhance the interaction with the display itself, or to embed some additional functionality to improve the performances of the display itself. So there are already some examples. For instance, with a smartphone, we have now more and more pushing to have bezel-less solution. So this means that the camera, etc., should be put behind or directly in place in the display. So this is a general trend, and we can think about enhancing this capability and providing a new way to exchange information and to have a new user experience. For people that are interested to look carefully, there is one specific issue in the SID journal just last year. So there is lots of room for innovation by integrating more and more functionality under the display or within the display itself. This is quite regular and classical method to fabricate the display. So we have lots of authors that explain in details. So we have different capability with starting with a classical AP wafer with a specific color, and bound directly on a classical TFT active matrix. So this is a classical method with lots of challenges that have been largely discussed during this conference related to the cost yield of different technology for the mass transfer solution. So at CEA-Leti, we are proposing and pushing some solution closely related to the CMOS co-integration, and to find a way to have, how we say, the free color on top of a CMOS, and we bond directly as a result of this co-integration onto a TFT on a backplane. And rather than using a TFT, we strongly think that taking benefits, leveraging the capability of the CMOS in order to first simplify, I would say, the mass transfer to the backplane, especially this is in order to improve time for large display solution. One additional benefit is for sure to overcome some TFT limitation when we focus and target advanced performances to drive high current. And in order also to be compatible with a PWM modulation, definitely using CMOS is something which is more evident and take benefits of the technology. So concerning the market, I will not go into the details because there is a very interesting presentation for this conference, but this morning the IR market have been pushing ahead. There are some solutions concerning the wearable, and especially when you are dealing with healthcare monitoring. And concerning the TV market, some outstanding benefits, for instance, transparency seems to be also some functionality that propose additional value. So in any case, I would say that one specific figure of merit and characteristic of the micro-LED solution is definitely the high brightness with respect to the size of the component itself. And because of the efficiency in terms of luminance with respect to the size of the components, then we can think about embedding additional functionality with the room left by the solution. So this additional functionality could be embedded directly on the CMOS itself, or inside